President in science area of Oxford University, and he was only a few hundred yards from me, and I didn't bother to go and see him because I had no attraction about him. But you personally, through the media, through the TV, and the other facts, you have been an outstanding mayor of Karachi.
Thank you, sir.
And Karachi is the most important city and the biggest city of Oxford, as you know that. As a person like you, if Pakistani government is losing you, I think it's a great tragedy for our nation. A person like you, you have delivered whatever, whenever the public asked for it, and you was there, and we were watching you on TV, whether it was a flood, whether it was anything else, you was like a war on gold, you was there. So, I think General Musharraf's I'm not going to talk too much about politics, because I know that you don't have much time with people also. General Musharraf has given us a very good gift of democracy. I don't appreciate everything he has done, but the thing he has done, the democracy, like the evolution of power to the local government. I don't know what was behind that, but if there was a sincerity, that should have been carried on, regardless of the government, whether it is people parties or whether Muslim League or whatever. We, Councillor in Oxford, recently about 100 yards from here in Town Hall, I've been Councillor in 3 terms now, this is my 3rd term, and we have started under Margaret Thatcher, and then Tony Blair, and then we are serving now under Cameron's. But we don't have a 1% influence from the central government. We are totally independent, and the government and the system is totally run by the councillors. So, if that system which was in Pakistan, if that was intact, the new government would have left it as it is. It would have been a great service to the public. Because public cannot go and see the ministers and MPAs and MNAs. They can see the councillors on the spot and they know where they live. So, my presence today is to appreciate you and welcome you. And if you do have time, please do stay here, and we will show you the democracy in depth in Town Hall, only about 100 yards from here. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
My question is more about the character of politicians rather than politicians themselves. So WikiLeaks amply show that all of our politicians sneak up to the American embassy and then spill the beans. With all due respect, you yourself are on record advising President Clinton, saying that Nawaz Sharif is a mullah without a fear. So how do you make these guys who are educated, young, progressive, understand that they are masters of their own wealth, and if they want to bring about change, they can bring about change?
Well, when I was asked, like I mentioned, I don't mince around the world. And definitely there are reports, since you have asked this question, though I don't intend to offend anybody, but since you have asked this question, yes, I did say that. And not to be quoted because the press is sitting here